Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So your girl Jewlz anyway here, and before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jewlz anyway family. So as you can see by the title, we'll be going in with the new P.louise Budget Box. So this budget box is priced at £30. If you guys would love to see what I got inside this box and also how I got this detailed eyeliner look, please stay tuned. So guys, this is the budget box which costs £30, and let's see which egg I got. I will insert a picture or a video clip of the different colored eggs that they do have. So I just opened up the box, and this is basically what comes inside the box. First thing is first, which is the star of the show, is this is how the box came. Box came kind of open. I guess the egg is too big so it doesn't stay closed, but then there's no clasp here, so yeah. So basically this is what the box looks like. So this is what it is. I did get the green and pink Easter egg, and I believe they currently have a discount code if you would like to purchase any of these items today. An additional, I think it's 15 or 20% off if I'm not mistaken. But they have a coupon code currently which is extra, which is basically what is written right here. So you guys can definitely go and check that out. So one thing about P.louise Budget Boxes is that she does intend to give us new products that has not been released for the price of £30 for us to try out. So many things on P.louise website, which I find fantastic. So the first thing that I got into this is the P.louise Wet and Set. This is what it looks like. And let's open it. This is the Lavender Lady. If I can get it out. So this is basically what it looks like. And once again, this is the Lavender Lady, and this is meant to be like a liquid eyeshadow. It's coming off on camera as a blue, but it's a light purple shade. The next thing that comes inside of this is the Stay Shining Super Hydrating Formula, and this is Indulge Me, and that's this right here. And I'm sure you guys have seen me show you guys other ones like this on my channel, and this is meant to smell like chocolate. So this is one of the new ones that she just came out with. So let me swatch that for you guys so you can see right there. So the next thing that came in the egg is the precise double liner, and this is what it looks like. Let me open it up. So I got the yellow and the orange one. Let's do some swatches. Ooh! By the way guys, this just spilled on the floor. So this is very liquidy. Very liquidy. Okay, so one swatch, and this is very pigmented. Let me do the other side. Please do bear in mind it is very liquidy. Let me shake it up. Let me show you guys a swatch right here. It may not be the perfect one, but very pigmented. These do have a faint scent to it. So I find that this color is way more watery than the yellow side. And the yellow side looks a bit thicker in consistency. Yeah, definitely. They're all wet, but it's falling all over my legs. But I feel like the yellow one is way more pigmented than the orange one. But nevertheless, let's see how it performs on the eye. The next thing that I did get in this box is the Protect Your Pout, and this is the lip condition. And I've shown you guys how these look on camera. I'm not quite ready to open this, but it does smell like chocolate. And this is the consistency of the lip conditioner. The last two things that I did get is the muslin cloth, which comes with 3. And how do I know already? Because I do own this already. They are really good, but for those who are interested, they come in with 3 cloths. I will open one of the cloths. I feel like this is definitely a newer cloth. My older cloth wasn't as big as this, and it is definitely different in texture. But we do get 3 of these inside. I believe my last one was about this size, whereas it now you get double, if I'm not mistaken. And it does feel way better in texture than the previous one. I guess that's why she kind of changed the texture of the cloths. The thing that I did get in the budget box is the texture treatment, and this is for all skin types. This is a cleanser. I do own this, and I can say it works well. I wouldn't say it's my favorite formula, but it does the job. So it does look like this, and fair enough, my other one is almost finished also, so still smells the same. And this is basically the texture. It's like jelly. It's like a jelly texture. Gets the job done. I wouldn't say it's my favorite formula, but it gets the job done quite well. Okay, so let's jump right into this eye look. This video, I feel like going in with a purple look today. So the palette of choice will definitely be the P.louise Flight Mode palette, and this is how the inside looks like. And I'll also be alternating with the Watch the Queen Conquer palette. So basically this is the color story, the purple side, and this side. So let's see what we come up with for today's video. To prep my eyes, I'm gonna go in with my P.louise Rumor number 2. And this is just a mini sample size that comes in, I don't even know what mini this is, I can't even see. But usually these come when you purchase a P.louise product, usually. I'm just gonna pat that in. I'm just gonna pat that in, making sure it's evenly saturated. Okay, so first thing is first. I may not be doing much talking, but I'll show you. In this part, I feel like it's gonna be very therapeutic because I won't be talking as I go along unless I'm using the newest products, if that makes any form of sense.
Turn me inside out.
I've decided to drag this shade out a bit, and I'm gonna go back in with the purple shade. I'm just gonna drag this one out a bit as well. Instead of the C shape, I'm just gonna, yeah. Okay, so right now it's gonna look super crazy before it looks good. I'm also taking a little bit of takeover from the Queen to Conquer palette because it's a bit darker. Just like so. So I'm mixing. So I'm basically going in with this shade and this shade right here. And then I'm going to go back in with the lighter purple. And just go on top, just to blend out the harsh line on the top. And for this look, I'm just going with the flow. So the look's supposed to look something like this. Just going back in with the dark purple without adding anything on the brush. Making sure we have a great contrast. Okay, so it's supposed to look something like so. I'm gonna go in with this color. Yeah. And that color is called Catch Flights. Let's go on top of this. Am I feeling it? Not really, but don't have that much structure in this video, but the look will come out. Let's give it time. Going back in with that brush that had the red on it, and I'm just gonna blend. My eyes are looking like I want to take my cut carver, and which is what the inside looks like. It's almost like coconut oil, or you can use your cellar water, or you can use anything really, but this is just to pre-carve out my eyes. Or you can use petroleum jelly also. So it's supposed to look something like this, very glossy. Doing the next eye quickly. Okay, so now that my eyes are looking like this, still crazy, I know, still crazy. The next step we're gonna take is going in with the liquid eyeshadow. And I forgot to mention that this also came in my package, so that's super good. So we'll be using that today. And usually these brushes come in with, a duo, like the duo crisp packet. I don't know if you guys remember. We'll insert a picture right here of what I'm talking about. But I'll be taking the eyeshadow, just placing it on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna coat this brush. By the way, this texture is very liquidy. I'm not sure if this has a scent. I want to take the liquid liner, and this side that I feel like will pop, we're going with the yellow side. And bear in mind, these are very liquidy, so please do be careful when using it. And they may spill, so make sure you have them sitting up. And so far, I'm loving the liner. It's super pigmented. As I said, this side is super pigmented. And it's like a foam one. It won't separate because there's no bristles on it. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna go in with the other side and just use it a little bit. Even though this one is liquidy, it's not bad. It's still pigmented. Still pretty pigmented. Apparently you can use these shadows without cleaning up. So let's see what results we get here. And apparently with this, I don't have to set it. And apparently with this, I don't have to set it with an eyeshadow. In Ecstasy, it's like a purple shade. I think I'm gonna try and salvage this look. Where I want to take off, I'm going to just take a piece of tissue or wipes can be used. Look how easy that was. I'm going to go back in with the yellow liner and I'm just going to make a line. Now that I've made the line right there. Okay, so look at the mess, guys. Look at the mess. So this is the aftermath of using the liner. Guys, this formula is amazing, but if the formula is on my table, I don't have much left. Sigh. Okay, so it's gonna leave my eye look right here, but I'm just feeling to add definition. I'm just gonna add think I'm liking this way better. Hey guys, so this is the completed face look. And this is the results of the eye look. It did come out very well. So far right off the bat, I do love these liners. The only thing, as you could see in previous clip, is that I feel like I've kind of ran out of the yellow liner already because it's so liquidy compared to the orange one. So, but I feel like these liners are worth £11. If I'm not mistaken for the price, I will insert the price down below per item. But the whole thing, now I think the whole egg is £40, but if you buy the budget box, you'll get all the items that I showed you for £30. Even though the eye look was a bit all over the place, we did get there in the end with the eye look. So this is the lip condition, and this one is chocolate, and this one is choco loving. So let me show you guys. These are super shiny, by the way. Glides onto the lips beautifully. I love these, that's why I have a backup of it. They're perfect. You can put them on your bag, on your key ring. Perfect. Look how shiny my lips are looking. Look how easy my lips are gliding. And this is the one in Indulge Me. The only thing with this, I feel like the product is held right here instead of at the back. So I don't know if you guys can see, like, majority of the product is here, a little bit at the top, but these are very glossy as well. I do enjoy using these. Okay, so on my lips, I have the P.louise lip liner in Loyal, and then I went in with my Anastasia lipstick in Butterscotch. By the way, this is how butterscotch looks on its own. Just mixed with the liners, so it's gone a bit darker. Then I'm just gonna put this Stay Shiny on top.